Curious about how you can enroll premium clients in 30 minutes or less? Stick around so that I can teach you all you need to know about discovery calls. Hi, I'm Michelle Terpstra, sales coach and sales expert for online entrepreneurs. I've helped over 500 businesses create and sell their easy yes offers online, and this channel is dedicated to helping you learn exactly how to do that. So hit subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on anything. Now, let's go ahead and jump in and talk about discovery calls. So first of all, what is a discovery call and what is it not? So a discovery call is an environment where you bring a lead that's interested in working with you to either a phone call or a Zoom call so that you can talk about how working together can help solve their problems. Now, sometimes coaches teach phone and sometimes coaches teach like a video. So Zoom or Google Meet or any other type of video conferencing software that you have. I am partial to Zoom, and the reason why is that as a heart-centered, soulful business owner myself, I love to connect with people in this way, right? So visually, together, connected, and nonverbal cues like that can help accelerate the sale. Now, I did say 30 minutes in the very beginning, right? That is also a really important piece of that, and if your calls are not at 30 minutes, I would love to know in the comment section below, because most of the time it's because you're over teaching and not selling enough. And it is important to remember that discovery calls are not a teaching environment. You can do that in lots of different spaces, in your YouTube videos, in your content, your freebies, but not for discovery calls. And by reducing and eliminating that teaching, you can cut your calls down to 30 minutes. Now, let's also talk about the fact that you can do these things in person too. So if you're in-person networking, you can totally do a discovery call in person as well. So in person or online. Now, for some of my warmest leads that I have also done DM and Voxer enrollments, and that's an advanced skill that once you master the Zoom call or the Google Meet or whatever technology you're using, you can move into that. Now, who needs this is another great question. So first of all, there's lots of ways to sell things online, right? Courses can be courses that are under, let's say, $2,000 can likely be sold in a one-to-many environment and also from a sales page. But if you're selling something that's over $2,000 and or you're newer to business and need to be having these sales conversations, it is really, really important that you master the discovery call. So what does this process look like? This is what it looks like. Someone's interested in working with you. You send them to a call booking link or manually book it. They fill out an application or a questionnaire. And then that's really important so you know what you're gonna talk to them about. Then you get on a call together, you talk about what it's gonna look like to work together. And it's also super important that you have a framework to how you have this sales conversation. And if you're not quite sure how to do that, I would love to know in the comment section below so that I can help you. All right, so then you have a great conversation. Somebody's gonna say yes or they're gonna say no. You close the sale or you follow up. It is really, really that simple. Now, you can get it to the point where you're closing 80% of these in 30 minutes or less. They are super, super powerful, and I encourage everyone selling anything over $2,000 to be mastering discovery calls. So I would love to know, are you currently running discovery calls in your business right now? And what do they feel like? And what's your success rate with them? I would also love to know on a scale of 1 to 10 how confident you feel in these sales conversations. This type of information, when I get the comments below, it really helps me curate this channel and create content that you really, really need. So I would love, love, love to see that below. Alrighty, so now we know what a sales call is and who needs them, and I cannot wait to hear how they all go. So in the comments section below, if you come back after you go run a discovery call, I would love, love, love to hear how it went. And if you're looking for a little bit more support and you're not quite sure of the exact steps, you can go ahead and grab my Discovery Call Success Pack. It's just $47, and it will teach you exactly how to do what I said, is close 80% of your sales in 30 minutes or less. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.